First of all, I have to say a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm giving is not a financial advice. You have to do your own research and diligence before you invest any financial instruments. Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my portfolio. I searched for a good stockbroker, and I found Trading212 and DEGIRO as good investing platforms which provide good service to residents of Ireland and whoever is living in Europe. Now, most of my portfolio is in Trading212, and some part of my portfolio is in DEGIRO account. As you seen in the thumbnail, my portfolio has grown 41.7% over last 3 months, which is a huge growth. And if you look at the money, it's around 21,000 euros. $21,000. $21,000 is nearly my 7-month salary. So it's a significant amount of money. It's growing very in a fast mode at the moment. DEGIRO and Trading212 both provide very good investment platforms, very good services through their mobile and web platforms. I will do a comparison video of these platforms later. Most of my investment are in Trading212 platform. Which is a very good platform, user friendly. It's very good for beginners, and DEGIRO is also very good for beginners. It's simple enough, but DEGIRO has some charges, compared to Trading212. That's why I'm using Trading212 more often than DEGIRO. But both of them are good platforms, good investment and trading brokers. You can download both applications from Google Play and Apple, and it's very easy to set up. I will give a link of DEGIRO and Trading212 under this video. If you use Trading212, that link, you will get a free share of one company, and you can use that and download from Google Play or Apple. Trading212 is available in most countries. Trading212 is not available in Canada, but UK, Ireland, any other part of Europe, even UAE. I will provide a link down below in this video for DEGIRO and Trading212 platforms. You can download it from Google Play and Apple, and you can set up the account. It's pretty straightforward. How I do this investment? Well, I follow a process of my own. I go out there, I read some journals, I go through good companies in Yahoo Finance, Morningstar, and also some Wall Street journals, and which is all available in online. Currently, I'm allocating 50% of my portfolio value into growth stocks and 50% for companies with strong fundamentals which are undervalued. So 50% of my portfolio is for long time. I wouldn't touch it for at least for 5 years or more than 5 years unless companies' fundamentals are changed. 50% of my portfolio for growth stock, I often use it for short-term positions, short-term trades, or medium-term. So basically, the 50% of my money will be invested in short-term to medium-term stocks, and 50% of money will be invested in long-term positions in good companies with good fundamentals and strong financials. How I choose my companies? Well, I follow my own process to choose companies. I look at the qualitative data and I look at the quantitative data. Qualitative data consists of the company's operations, how company is operating, whether company is operating in a profit, whether company is doing good business, those kind of stuff I look as a qualitative data. And when come to quantitative data, it's the fundamentals. Companies with the strong fundamentals and which are undervalued, I will be investing on. So now let's look at my portfolio.
So this is my portfolio of stocks. This is a Google sheet. As soon as I buy my stocks in DEGIRO or Trading212, I enter into a Google sheet in this format. And as you can see, I have holdings in Intel Corporation, Alibaba, ASML Holding, Lucid Group, Google, Biogen, Facebook, Keynes Homes Ireland, Walgreen Boots, HrAqtPmj MSCI World Information Technology, which is an ETF. So this is an ETF. So these are my holdings at the moment. So I have invested a total amount of $48,526, which is around 42,000 euros. My portfolio grown to $68,775. So I have a total of 41.73% gain.
So guys, now you have seen my portfolio. How, I told you roughly how I choose my portfolio. As Peter Lynch, one of the great investors of all time, always say, You don't have to be extra smart or extra brilliant or extra intelligent to create a good return for portfolio. Anyone can do it. Any ordinary person can do it. But only thing is, you have to follow a process, or you have to be buying companies with a plan. People often fail in investing stock market because they're going in there buying some random stocks without having a plan. Now the question is this growth sustainable? Can you expect this growth all the time? Of course not. This kind of growth is not sustainable. You won't be getting this kind of growth all the time. This is like sometimes some stocks can fly high, can exponentially grow. It can just break through, but it won't happen all the time. But an average investor can have a return of 15 to 20% from decent companies which have good fundamentals. Open a trading and investing account in any of the platforms like DEGIRO or Trading 212, and you can add good companies in your watch list. You can study them. You can keep an eye on them. You can check their fundamentals, their balance sheet. If companies are performing very well and companies which are not overvalued highly, you can jump onto that. You can start investing into those companies, and it will give you a very good return over the time. If you look at the companies, it is really important that you get good companies at good price. Some growth companies are naturally a bit of overvalued. Their PU ratios will be slightly high because people are willing to pay a much higher price to own those companies compared to some other companies of the same category or in the same industry.
In summary, guys, my portfolio grown around 41.73% over 3 months, and I have invested a total of $48,000, and I have made around $21,000 in 3 months time. That's amazing growth, and as I said, you cannot expect this growth all the time, but you can make a decent profit of at least 15 to 20% per year. I hope you guys like this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like. Stay investor, keep profited, and I will see you all guys in the next video. Thank you.